Hello, my name is Victoria Brecht, and I'm a multidisciplinary artist that lives here in Niagara Falls, Canada. My artworks and collaborations have been an array of many, but my heart is based in sculpture work. And throughout the last year, I have been diving deeper into my land and nature art creations. It is my absolute pleasure to bring the Nature Mandala Sit Spot to Niagara Falls City Hall for Niagara Art Night. The concept of the Nature Mandala is to revolve around our relationships with the natural world. Nature being everything that is above us and below us and everything in between, including us. Mandalas are a circular form that remind us of our individual journey between us and the natural world, within the cosmos, and reminding us that we are too stardust. The mushroom sit spots around are for you to sit closely to the earth. I'm hoping that you enjoy them and knowing that you are earthing and connecting through those cement mushrooms. This is my version and my expression of our relationships in the city with the natural world. As much cement we put down, our fungi friends always bust through, so our tree and plant friends can always sprout again. You're invited to find a mushroom or a place on the grass to sit and gently notice the mandala and perhaps some of the nature beings around the mandala. The wind might caress your cheeks, the sun might sun-kiss you, the trees might dance and sing a song along with the pitter-patter of your thoughts in your heart. Whatever feels right for you, I invite you to share with the mandala. You can share with words, actions, feelings, or if you happen to find a nature treasure nearby, I invite you to place it on the outside of the mandala and grow it. I thank you for this opportunity, and I invite you to share some time with yourself in the natural world and dive deep and immerse yourself into your own enjoyment and build those relationships with what feels right for you.